Beyond just editing PDFs, PDF Filler lets you turn any document into a smart online form, perfect for applications, surveys, or sign-up sheets. Getting started is simple. Just upload your document and open it in the editor. From there, switch into form building mode. You'll see all sorts of fields you can use, from simple text and signature boxes to dropdowns and formula fields that do the math for you. Just pick your fields and drag them right where you want them. Each field comes with a handy menu above, letting you assign, duplicate, or delete it. Need to make adjustments? Just click and drag to resize or move a field. You can also set input formatting like fonts, colors, and text orientation to ensure completed forms look just right. Need multiple people to fill out a form? Simply assign fields to different recipients. Add as many as you need. Enter their email addresses right away or later when you're ready to send. With recipients added, just select who you want to assign your fields to. PDF Filler color codes the fields for each person, so it's always clear who needs to fill what. When you select a field, its advanced settings appear on the right. From there, you can add tooltips and mark fields as required with a simple toggle, so they can't be skipped. Want to make your form even smarter? Use the conditional logic toggle. This lets you show or hide fields, or make them required only when certain conditions are met. For instance, you can reveal a signature field only after the rest of the fields are completed. You can even add multiple conditions to a single field. Just make sure they don't contradict each other. Before you send your form, switch to preview mode to test it. You can fill out fields just like your recipients would. Don't worry, your test replies will disappear once you exit the preview. Once your form is perfect, you can save it or send it for completion via email or a shareable link. Ready to start collecting customer data and signatures with dynamic fillable forms? Try PDF Filler for free.